This 2022 Coachmen Clipper Ultra-Lite single-axle 182 dBU is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Coachmen is 22 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, leveling jacks, smoke detector, stove top burner, awning, CO detector, skylight, LP detector, water heater, microwave, and 33 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Clipper Ultra-Lite single-axle 182 dBU is 3,747 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.